In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboard in ClickUp. We'll go from logging in to building a clear, useful view of your work, and I'll share tips along the way to help you get reliable results. Start by opening the ClickUp login page in your browser. When you see the sign-in screen, choose Continue as to move forward with the account that's already detected. If you're prompted to pick an account, select your Google account to complete the sign-in and land in your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left side panel and click the plus sign. This opens your creation options. From there, choose Dashboard. Dashboards are your high-level command centers in ClickUp, great for tracking progress, workload, and priorities at a glance. You'll now be asked whether you want to start from a template or build from scratch. Templates are a fast way to get a professional layout without starting at zero. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Task Management template. It's designed to surface task counts, statuses, and trends in a way that most teams can use right away. Next, select the space you want the dashboard to draw data from. Think of the space as your data source. Choose the one that contains the tasks you care about. If your team organizes work by department or project, pick the most relevant space so the dashboard reflects the right scope. Click Create Dashboard to generate it. You'll see a clean canvas populated with starter components you can tailor to your needs. Now it's time to configure. Click the plus Add Cards button to add widgets. Cards are the building blocks of a dashboard, and you have dozens of options. Charts for trends, task lists for actionable views, number widgets for counts, or even embedded content for reference material. Add what helps you make decisions quickly. After adding cards, configure each one. Set the location, which tells the card where to pull data from. Adjust filters like assignees, statuses, or due dates to keep information focused. Choose display options to switch between list, bar, pie, or line views, depending on what you need to highlight. You can drag cards to rearrange them and pull their edges to resize, giving more space to the visuals you rely on most. Consider naming cards clearly, aligning related cards together, and using consistent date ranges so your snapshot stays readable and trustworthy. And that's it. You've logged in, created a dashboard from the Task Management template, selected your space, and customized cards to fit your workflow. Save it, share it with your team, and revisit filters as your needs evolve.